Alright, I'm going to give you guys a little tutorial on how to fix the spur gear on your Kyosho Outlaw Rampage PRO. If you don't know, the spur gear that came with these had some molding issues from the factory. They shipped them anyway. I don't know if they have since changed on newer kits that are shipping. This particular kit was probably sitting on the shelf in my local hobby shop for quite some time, so I'm not taking any chances. So let's go over here to the other bench and I'll show you how to upgrade the spur. You just throw it in the trash, go back to your workbench, and get the spur gear from Associated. I picked up this spur gear at my LHS from a good tip from some friends on the RC Crawler forums. The Associated spur gear is a perfect fit, 84 tooth, 48 pitch. You got the part number there. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can get one for yourselves. I highly recommend not taking any chances on that stock spur that came with the Kyosho. I already installed mine. It's nearly ready to go. Just a few things left. I'm just going to mount the servo. It's just sitting in there, you know. So I just got to put the hardware in, connect the steering linkage, and then should be pretty much ready to rip. Stay tuned and I'll show you the rest of the progress in a later video. Thanks.